Stop letting your hair break, shed, and thin out. Today, we are mixing up a potent homemade recipe packed with natural nutrients to nourish your scalp and jumpstart your hair growth journey. Here is exactly how to make and use this game-changing oil.
1, 2, 3.
First, here I have my grinder so I can process all the dry ingredients into a fine powder. And with that, my first ingredient is bay leaves. I'm going to add about 3 full leaves straight into the grinder. Now, beyond their traditional use as a kitchen spice, bay leaves are a powerhouse for hair growth. They contain active organic compounds, vitamins, and minerals that stimulate blood circulation, reducing shedding, and clearing up scalp infections, which makes them a potent natural remedy for compromised scalp and slow-growing hair. My second ingredient is ambunu leaves. Native to Chad in Central Africa, ambunu leaves have been the ultimate length retention secret for generations. And while they don't physically speed up follicle growth, their specialized plant properties strengthen the hair shaft, eliminate detangling breakage, and gently cleanse the scalp. I'll be using about 1/4 cup of this. Our third ingredient is peppermint leaves. Peppermint leaves widens blood vessels to rapidly increase blood flow directly to your follicles while regulating scalp oil production. And when applied to the skin, menthol triggers a tingling sensation that physically wakes up the dormant roots, making it one of the most heavily researched natural ingredients to combat hair thinning. Next up, I'm adding in some sage leaves. Sage leaves promote a healthy scalp environment, stimulate blood flow, and balance sebum production, which indirectly encourages hair growth. Finally, we're adding some rosemary leaves. Rosemary is one of the best studied herbs for hair growth, and research shows it can work about just as well as some common hair growth treatments, but with less scalp irritation. Now let's grind them all together until we get the powdered, smooth consistency we need. Now this is what the final powder looks like. Grinding your dry herbs into a fine powder is a complete game changer. This ultra-fine texture allows lipid-soluble essentials like peppermint's menthol and rosemary's carnosic acid to dissolve completely into our hot coconut oil, transforming a simple mixture into a hyper-concentrated, professional-grade remedy. Now moving on to the next part, here I have half an aloe vera leaf which has been soaking for about 20 to 30 minutes to completely remove the yellow sap, since the liquid could be irritating to your scalp and hair. I'm going to remove the thorns from each side, then chop the aloe vera into small pieces. Now that I'm done, here I have my blender, which I will be using to blend up the aloe vera. Now into that cup, I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon of instant coffee. Then I'm going to add in the ingredients that we turn into a powder right into this blender as well. I'll be using about 3 spoonfuls of our herbal powder. Now I'm adding in about 300 milliliters of coconut oil into the blender, and I'm going to blend up everything together. Now let's blend. This is exactly what it looks like after blending. I'm now going to transfer the mixture into a pan so I can place it on the stove. Keep in mind, the reason I'm not using the double boiler method for this recipe is because we use fresh aloe vera. Any hair oil that contains fresh aloe vera must be heated directly on the stove over a low flame to prevent it from spoiling quickly. Aloe vera contains water, and water and oil do not mix. But if you leave it on the stove over low heat for 10 to 20 minutes, that water will safely evaporate and dry up completely. Make sure to stir all the ingredients time to time to make sure that nothing burns up, and you can use your pure oil with total peace of mind. Now once your mixture looks like this, you can take it off the stove and let it cool down completely. And look at that! This is what the oil looks like when it's completely cold, and look at that rich color! I'll be using a cheesecloth to strain the leftover particles. And with that, here is our final result. This is an all-natural, high-potent oil that works directly on the scalp and makes your hair stronger, thicker, and vibrant, and this will stop breakage if used consistently. To make this oil even more effective, let's supercharge it with some essential oils, starting off with some vitamin E oil. Then I'm adding some argan oil. Next up, let's add some castor oil. After that, now it's cinnamon oil. And finally, I'm adding in some peppermint oil to fight dandruff, stop scalp irritation, while providing a cooling sensation that triggers rapid growth. Now this mixture is intentionally formulated to keep your hair deeply hydrated and incredibly soft because the ingredients are exceptionally effective for hair health. It actively heals the scalp, relieves scalp issues, and it is a miracle worker for dry hair, stunted growth, and split ends. It will help your hair bounce back to its healthiest state while strengthening your hair from the roots to its ends. And as you saw, we added the ultimate last essential oils to maximize those results. I'm now going to take my time to pour this oil right into this jar. You guys can use a dropper bottle of your choice or a jar with a lid. Now when using this oil, you need to apply it directly to your scalp and give yourself a thorough massage. For myself, I like to leave it in my hair to fully absorb the oil's maximum potential, but you guys can choose to leave it in or wash it out if you prefer. And you can easily use this oil 3 to 4 times a week. Always remember the golden rule though. Make sure your hair is lightly hydrated with water or a leave-in conditioner before applying oil to lock in that moisture. I now want to say a special thank you to Ida McFarland, my very first channel member. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for being here and helping my channel grow. Now I wanted to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. My first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. And my second membership is called Dye Your Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level, plus exclusive member shoutouts. So if you would like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in my description box will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Now thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!